Want to keep track of all computer activities seamlessly? Whether for workplace productivity, family safety, or personal data security, MoniVisor is your go-to solution for comprehensive monitoring on Windows PCs. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to download, install, and configure MoniVisor on your Windows computer. You'll be ready to monitor and secure your PC in just a few minutes. Here's a quick update on the installation process. It will only take about 3 to 4 minutes, so stay with us as we walk through the setup. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the target device before moving forward. Also, remember to select the plan that best suits your needs before getting started. First, you'll need to create a new account. Head over to the official MoniVisor website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to register. Once that's done, navigate to the product page and choose the plan that suits your needs by clicking See Pricing. MoniVisor offers 3 options: monthly, quarterly, and yearly plans, with the only difference being the subscription duration. Next, go to the download page and click Download for Windows to get the installer. After a few seconds, the installer file will be saved to your device. Once downloaded, open the installer, review the user agreement, and click the Install button. As the progress bar fills up, you're one step closer to completing the setup. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to activate MoniVisor. Enter your account information into the input fields and click Activate. At this stage, you may be prompted to add MoniVisor to your whitelist to ensure seamless monitoring. Follow the instructions for this step to avoid any issues. If you plan to monitor browser history, be sure to install the Chrome extension. Detailed instructions are provided in the Installation Help document. Once the extension is installed, click I have manually added and then hit Next to continue. With MoniVisor's latest update, you can now monitor camera and microphone activity, a feature ideal for workplace monitoring. To enable this, go to your Windows settings, select Privacy, and toggle on Allow desktop apps to access your camera and microphone. Congratulations! MoniVisor is now fully configured on your target Windows PC. To start monitoring, simply log into the online dashboard using your account credentials. From here, you'll have access to all the data collected from the device. Now, let's take a closer look at the powerful features MoniVisor has to offer. First up is Desktop Time. This feature gives you a clear breakdown of how long the target computer is in use each day. Whether it's for work or leisure, you'll know exactly how time is being spent. Next, we have Live Screen, which lets you watch real-time actions on the screen. You're always in the loop, seeing what's happening moment by moment. Moving on to Web Activity, you can monitor all the websites visited and the download history, ensuring that the browsing activity stays productive and secure. With App Activity, you'll receive detailed reports on which apps and programs are being used, for how long, and at what times, giving you full insight into software usage. Another powerful tool is Location. You'll know the exact whereabouts of the device, helping you keep track of movements for safety or security purposes. Let's not forget Web Chats, which provide complete records of online conversations across various platforms, ensuring that you stay informed about all communication happening on the monitored device. And finally, File Activity keeps a watchful eye on every file transfer, edit, and deletion, ensuring that no important data is moved or lost without your knowledge. Now that you've successfully installed and configured MoniVisor on your Windows PC, you're all set to monitor activity in real time, whether for enhanced security, improved productivity, or personal safety. With features like live screen monitoring, browser history tracking, and more, MoniVisor gives you complete control and peace of mind. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and updates. Thanks for watching.